Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving straight into exactly what it takes to conquer the Splunk SPLK-2001 Certified Developer Exam and truly validate your expertise.
If you're an IT pro or a data analyst trying to level up your career using machine data, well, you are definitely in the right place. This certification is basically your ultimate stepping stone.
Here is our roadmap for today. We're going to quickly cover the SPLK 2001 challenge, the exam topics and format, registration logistics, preparation tools, and finally, those awesome career and salary benefits.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the SPLK-2001 challenge, validating your Splunk expertise.
So what exactly is this exam we're talking about? Basically, it's a very rigorous professional assessment. It's definitely not for complete beginners, guys. It's built specifically to validate your practical, hands-on ability to handle data ingestion, execute complex searches, and create actionable reports right inside Splunk.
Moving right along to Section 2, Exam Topics and Format. Here is exactly what you can expect on test day.
You're going to face a 90-minute window to tackle 45 multiple-choice questions. To pass, you need to hit a score of 72%. And here's a huge pro tip for you. There is absolutely no penalty for guessing, so make sure you put down an answer for every single question.
To actually crush this test, you've got to really know your stuff across a few core areas. We're talking Splunk fundamentals, data ingestion, search processing language, knowledge objects, building dashboards and visualizations, setting up reports and alerts, and of course, administering Splunk.
Next up, Section 3, Registration and Logistics. Securing your spot.
Securing your spot is super straightforward. It's just 4 steps. Step 1, visit the official Splunk certification portal. Step 2, you'll be redirected to Pearson VUE to pick a local test center. Step 3, choose your preferred exam date and time. And Step 4, just pay the $125 exam fee.
All right, let's dive into Section 4, Preparation and Practice Tools, arming yourself for success.
Listen, you really don't want to rely on just textbooks for this one. The absolute best way to prepare is by utilizing tools like a certification exam web simulator, an offline mobile app, and SPLK 2001 dumps for highly realistic practice in demo mode. To show you what I mean, let's look at exactly 3 demo questions directly from the source. Question 1. How can indexer acknowledgement be enabled for HTTP Event Collector, or HEC? A. Default. B. REST request. C. Splunk Web Token. D. Global settings. Question 2. Which of the following is a best practice when creating a Splunk app? A. Hardcode file paths. B. Use absolute times and save searches. C. Prefix app-specific configurations. D. Disable role-based access control.
The correct answers for question 1 are C and D. The correct answer for question 2 is C. Question 3. What is the primary function of the transaction command in SPL? A. To group events that share common characteristics. B. To delete events from an index. C. To route data to a specific indexer. D. To create a new user role. The correct answer is A.
Moving on to our final section, Section 5, Career and Salary Benefits. This is the ultimate payoff.
Earning this certification literally proves your skills to top employers, opening massive doors to new career opportunities. We're talking highly sought-after roles like data analyst, security analyst, systems administrator, or even a dedicated Splunk engineer or Splunk consultant.
And yeah, it brings a very real financial payoff too. Certified professionals in this space often command impressive salaries, usually landing anywhere between $80,000 and $130,000 a year. Not too shabby, right?
So are you ready to take that next big step in your career? To absolutely guarantee your success on test day, we highly recommend using EasyQuizzer.com for your exam prep. They offer an incredible online web simulator, plus a dedicated mobile app so you can practice whenever and wherever you want. Get certified and unlock your data career today. Thanks for joining this explainer.